Hey guys, it's Christina Margiota here, me Mika, and we're gonna do a train running today, but you're gonna be riding in it. But first, I gotta take this thing off because it won't fit in that, so I better put you on the train now. I just barely fits. I'm worried that it might. Oh man, it's gonna be going like this. Well, I better turn it around just like this so you can see what's in front. Huh. Nothing's going on. That looks cool. We're ready. Oh, it might still work with that. Oh, I'm just worried that you might even hit this tunnel right here. I better skip through because I don't have any pants or shirt on. I better hurry up, run through. Thank you for riding, first responders. How was your ride? Oh, it was fun. Bye. Have a great, wonderful day, guys.